Hi, and welcome back. In this section, we are going to be discussing the evolution of industrial revolutions. So, if you look at industrial revolutions, they mark transformative shifts in the human history. From the commencement of the first industrial revolution with the spinning jenny, and then moving on to the second industrial revolution, where we witnessed mass production and electrification, to the third industrial revolution, which we witnessed digitalization, the internet, and now the fourth industrial revolution is happening right now as we speak. So, in this section, we're going to look back at the first, second, third, and also the fourth industrial revolution, which is happening now. And we'll also be looking at a comparative analysis or understand the similarities and differences and also try to anticipate what are the future trends or what is coming down the pipeline when it comes to the next industrial revolution. So, talking a bit more about industrial revolutions, as we mentioned, we have four industrial revolutions. The first one was from 1760 to 1840, the next one from 1871 to 1914, and the third 1970 to the early 2000s, and the fourth one commenced from 2010 to the present day and age. So if you look at industrial revolutions in general, there are key distinct features that we're seeing across all four industrial revolutions. The first one is innovations in machinery, energy, and communication. So we leap forward in terms of innovation or in terms of industrial revolution when it comes to machinery. So if you look at the first one, it was mechanization, then it was mass production, and then we witnessed digitalization. And if you look at the fourth industrial revolution in terms of machinery, we are moving towards automation or giving the machines ability to think on its own. If you look at the energy side of things, we have transformed from oil and gas to electrification to now to more sustainable and renewable energy sources like solar and wind. We also seen the shift from manual labor to mechanization, and there were massive impacts on economies, societies, and daily life, from urbanization to population growth and a more connected and collaborative world. So each revolution builds upon and extends the innovation of the previous industrial revolution. So it's not just one phase where we see, okay, first industrial revolution commenced here and the next one starts here. So it's not like that. It's a transformative process where each industrial revolution is built upon the backbone and the foundation in terms of innovation, in terms of energy, machinery, communication of the previous industrial revolution. And it's not a static thing as well. So it's constantly evolving and transforming in response to the technological advancements. So right now we're seeing a lot of artificial intelligence. So you might have come across terms like ChatGPT and other generative AI tools that we can use to improve our productivity and efficiency and get more work done in less time. So in our next lecture, we are going to talk more detail on the first industrial revolution and understand the impact that it had on humanity. I'll see you around.